Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into a mathematical mystery that has puzzled students and scholars alike. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about the zero power rule. But don't worry, I promise not to turn this into a math class snooze fest. So, what's the big deal with anything raised to the power of 0 being 1? Let's break it down with a bit of humor, because why not? Imagine you have a pizza. Now if you multiply this pizza by itself, you get more pizza, right? That's math I can get behind. But what happens if you have your pizza to the power of 0? Do you end up with no pizza? Thankfully, no. In the quirky world of mathematics, anything, yes, even our beloved pizza to the power of 0 is always 1. Not 0 pizzas, not half a pizza, but one whole pizza. Mind-blowing, I know. But why is this the case? Simply put, mathematicians like to keep things consistent. When you start reducing powers, like going from squared to the first power, you're essentially dividing by the base number. If you continue this pattern logically all the way down to 0, you end up with 1. It's like magic, but with numbers. To make it even clearer, let's say we have the number 5. 5 squared is 25, 5 to the first power is 5, and following our rule 5 to the 0th power, you got it, it's 1. But how does this work mathematically? Let's break it down. When you divide 5 circumflex 1 by 5, you get 5 circumflex 0. Mathematically, 5 circumflex 1 is 5, and dividing by 5 gives us 1. So 5 circumflex 0 must be 1. This rule keeps our mathematical universe balanced and harmonious, like a finely tuned guitar. Now I'm not saying you should go around raising everything to the power of 0, but it's a nifty trick to dazzle your friends or perhaps confuse your enemies. There you have it, the mystery of 0 power unlocked. It's like a superpower, but for numbers. To put it even more simply, imagine you have a super cool number machine. Let's call it the Mathomatic 3000. This machine can take any regular number and make it bigger by multiplying it with itself. For example, if you put the number 2 into the Mathomatic 3000 and press the button, it gives you 2 times 2, which is 4. Awesome, right? Now let's talk about the 0 power rule. It's like a secret button on our Mathomatic 3000. When you put any regular number, except 0, into the machine and press the 0 power button, guess what happens? Ta-da! The answer is always 1. Here's why. Imagine you have a number like 2. When you raise it to the power of 0, which means using our special 0 power button, you get 2 circumflex 0 equals sign 1. The same goes for other non-zero numbers. Whether it's 3, 10, or even your favorite number, when you raise it to the power of 0, it magically becomes 1. Remember, next time you're feeling powerless, just think about 0 power. It might not charge your phone, but it'll always give you 1. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of math. And if anyone asks why you're suddenly so interested in exponents, just tell them you've discovered your new superpower, the 0 power rule. Until next time, keep questioning everything. Bye.